In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge error code status _access_denied using a few simple troubleshooting steps. This issue can happen when Edge is blocked by a VPN, antivirus software, a bad extension, or even a Windows setting that is interfering with the browser. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it without reinstalling anything. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, turn off your VPN if you are using one. A VPN can sometimes trigger access problems in Microsoft Edge, especially if the website or browser sees your connection as suspicious. Go to your VPN app, disconnect it completely, and then close the app. After that, open Microsoft Edge again and check whether the error still appears. If the problem is gone, the VPN was most likely the cause. If not, move on to the next step. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs can block Microsoft Edge from reaching certain websites or services, which may lead to the status_access_denied error. Open your antivirus dashboard and look for a setting such as real-time protection, web protection, or firewall protection. Turn it off for a short time, then test Microsoft Edge again. Only do this briefly while you troubleshoot and make sure you turn the protection back on after checking. If Edge starts working normally, then your antivirus settings may need to be adjusted instead of fully disabled. Now let's go to Control Panel and change Microsoft Edge settings. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel and click it open. In Control Panel, go to Programs, then look for the option to uninstall or change a program. Find Microsoft Edge in the list if it appears there, or look for browser-related repair options in Windows settings if needed. If you see a repair or modify option, use it to reset or repair Edge files. In some cases, this helps fix corrupted browser components that are causing the access denied error. If you are prompted to change or repair the installation, follow the on-screen instructions carefully and then restart your computer. After that, open Edge again and test the website. The next step is to disable extensions. Browser extensions can interfere with websites and cause loading or access issues in Microsoft Edge. Open Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Extensions. From there, disable all installed extensions one by one, or turn them all off at the same time if you want to test faster. Once the extensions are disabled, restart Edge and try the page again. If the error disappears, re-enable your extensions one at a time to find the one causing the problem. This is a very effective way to identify whether an add-on is blocking access. If you want a quick test, you can also try opening the page in a private or InPrivate window, because that can help confirm whether an extension is the issue. So, to recap, the main fixes for Microsoft Edge error code status _access_denied are turning off your VPN, disabling your antivirus temporarily, checking or repairing Edge through Control Panel, and disabling extensions. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Edge troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.